Hello viewers, welcome to yet another special under the Janhit Me series. Today we have another major issue related to the environment that we want to discuss. You will all recall that the Chief Minister during his recent address during the International Day of Biodiversity event has very clearly pointed out that there should be Lakshman Rekha between development and conservation of environment. He said that this Lakshman Rekha should be very, very strictly observed. Exactly, sir. It is this Lakshman Rekha that is being violated repeatedly in MMR, particularly in Uran area. The latest in the series of dissections comes from Sheva, the erstwhile Sheva village in Uran, where there is a massive barrier of mangroves and wetland is going on. In fact, it is not JNPT, it is CIRCO is also violating this.
To some of the areas, mangrove areas, which are yet to be given to us, is primarily the area which is in possession of CIDCO and JNPT. These are the major chunk. Also, some little bit area under MADA and MMRDA. They are the other agencies who are also holding some mangrove areas. But primarily CIDCO and JNPT, we had been pursuing with them, and Honorable High Court has already passed a very specific order that CIDCO should be handing over the area, and they had given the timeline of 3 months, which is, I think, almost it is more than 3 years have gone now, but it is yet to be. So regarding JNPT also, we are in touch with them. At one instant, they said, no, we were not aware of the High Court order, so we had written to them again to hand over the area. However, through newspaper, we came to know that they are asking Forest Department to tell us which areas to be handed over. However, they have not written back to us, and we don't have the land details of the JNPT. So see, we do not know. On satellite map, we know some areas which are mangrove, but we don't know who are in possession of those areas. So as already Mr. Kumar said, that it is on their website, they have written that they have about 900 hectare of mangrove. So we expect, and today I am going to issue a reminder also to them to hand over the area.
Instead of handing over this, starting the process of handing over these mangroves to the forest department, JNPT has started destroying them again.
राज्याच्या पालकमंत्री आदित्य तटकरे मॅडम या ठिकाणी मँग्रोव्ह होते, मँग्रोव्हची झाडं तोडून राजरोषप्रमाणे भराव चालू आहे आणि हा भराव अनधिकृत वाटत नाही का शासनाला.
Again in Kharghar, we have come across dumping of debris on mangroves, which has been also happening repeatedly.
खारघर में काफ़ी सेक्टर्स में ट्रक आके ये डबरीज डंप करके जा रहे हैं. ये अभी बहुत कॉमन हो गया है. सेक्टर 16, सेक्टर 18, सेक्टर 25, 28 एंड 35 आए दिन यहाँ पे ट्रक आके ह्यूज ट्रक आके यहाँ पे डंप करके जा रहे हैं डबरीज. हमने काफ़ी अथॉरिटीज़ को कंप्लेन किया है विद नंबर, विद देयर व्हीकल डिटेल्स, लेकिन कुछ भी एक्शन अभी तक नहीं लिया गया है.
A major threat to the ecosystem of Kharghar is debris dumping. So Kharghar is a actively developing node of Navi Mumbai, and a lot of construction is going on, and the debris is dumped across the various places, open spaces in Kharghar.
Dumping has been always there, always been there in Kharghar, not now, since many years. We've been noticing the dumping and each and every corner of Kharghar, whether it's hillside or some lane or some open space, some park, corners, mangroves, wetlands, swampy areas, open spaces. The dumpings are always been done.
We have, of course, as Nat Connect, we have drawn the attention of Ms. Anna Sahab Misal, the chairman of the Mangrove Committee, the High Court appointed Mangrove Conservation and Protection Committee, and he said he will definitely look into that. Hopefully something will happen.